we are going to be working on the next problem, which is let me get to it. It's right here. Okay. It's on. Now they're talking about food. So they want to find out the principal. Okay, we know they have several questions. So how much would it cost to buy the burrito and the sandwiches? And so when we see ends, burritos and sandwiches, we could assume that they are asking you to add those numbers together. But again, we're going to have to figure out how much those cost. So on screen 1, we're going to look at burritos. 8 of them are in a package. They need 13. Cost $3 per item. So we have to multiply all these numbers. And for sandwiches, there's 5 pieces in a package. 18 packages are needed. $6 per item. So I am going to go back to that other page. And we are going to write down our number models right here. Okay. So, I'm not going to do my estimate. Okay, so my burritos are 8, so I'm doing 8 times 13 times 3. Then I'm adding them, right? I'm adding the burrito and the sandwich. The sandwich was 5 in a pack. You need 18, and they cost $6 an item. I'm going to say equal how much it costs. See, again, cost. They want to know units. It's going to be money. Okay, so right here I am going to do working this out. So we are going to do 13 times, I'm going to multiply these two numbers together. 8 times 3 we should know is 24. So my first one, I'm going to do 13 times 4. Here, I'm going to multiply my two facts. 30 times 18. And I'm going to add those. Okay, so we're going to do that here. So, 13. I'm making these too small for myself to write it. Okay, so 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. That goes here. 1 times 2 is 2. I'm adding them, so that's 2. 6 and 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11. Put the 1 here, carry the 1. This is a 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my first answer is 312. Now I have to figure out 18 times 30. Again, you do not need to use the lattice method. You could do it any way you want. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 3 is 24. So each of these boxes go here. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 3, I'm using this top box, is 3. Adding 0, 4, and 5. So my answer is 540. So I'm going to add 540 plus 312. And my answer is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 3 is 8. It will cost $852. So my answer will be, my answer in units is $852. I have my units because it's that. That is what you are writing, boys and girls.